Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Autumn Florals box. Let me show you what is in this box. This box contains 3 paper sticker sheets, 3 clear sticker sheets, 1 planner cover / traveler notebook, 1 dotted notebook, 2 paper sheets, 1 clear stamp, 2 washi tapes and 1 pen. Okay, let's start. Let me start with the stickers. These are the box stickers from this box. And as always, all the stickers, all the paper, all the products are coordinating with each other. So these are Autumn Leaves boxes. It's also paper sheets. So you can write inside if you want. And a long box and medium long boxes. Oh, I made a mistake. I thought there were 3 clear stickers, but it are 4. Well, that's a happy surprise. Okay, so this is the first clear sticker. It has this cute pumpkin car and another pumpkin truck. More pumpkins and some leaves and foliage. And 2 sheets with Autumn Florals. Are they beautiful? Let me show you the next product. It's this beautiful orange pen. It has rosé gold accents and of course orange gems. This really is the perfect autumn pen if you ask me. It are black ink. Okay, then let me show you this planner cover / traveler notebook. This is a B6 size for a traveler notebook, and it fits also a mini happy planner or other same size planners. So this is how it looks like with a planner in it. This planner is of course not included. And this is how it looks on the inside. It also says Planything and has some cute stripes. I'm really in love with this planner. And in this traveler notebook / a planner cover, you can also add this cute dotted notebook. And you can add it like this as an insert. So you can add multiple notebooks if you want. And you can also just leave that here and add your planner here. So you can use it in a lot of different ways. Then let me show you the next product. These are the 2 1 centimeter washi tapes. This is the first time I'm doing this size. Normally it was 0.75 or 1.5 centimeters, and this is just 1 centimeter. And I must say that I really like this size. And they look like this. And as you can see, also the stripes are matching with the inside of the planner cover traveler notebook. And then we have this really cute pumpkin stamp. And this pumpkin stamp also has some floral patterns in it. I think it's really cute. And then last but not least, 2 paper sheets. I think they're really cute. These are very big paper sheets. They are the same size as sheets in the classic happy planner. And of course you can use it also for smaller planners. As covers or dashboards, or are they cute? I'm really in love. I'm really excited to see what you are thinking about this box. This box is available to order on September 1 until it sells out. The last box sold out in less than 48 hours. So if you like the box, don't wait too long. You can buy this box as individual box for $35 or subscribe for $30. And please let me know in the comments what you think. I'm pretty excited. Thank you for watching. Bye!